What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades, the home of the #1 stock market trading and investing channel on all of the tube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my top penny stock to buy now. I just loaded the boat on it. I bought $15,000, 5,000 shares worth of this high growth penny stock. Now, this is in a sector that I think is absolutely taking off. I don't think it's absolutely taking off. I know this sector's taken off. It's headed to the moon. We're talking about the e-commerce sector, and this penny stock does one thing that I look for when I'm making investments, and that solves a problem for its customers. It's much easier to market your product when you're actually solving a problem for your customers, and this penny stock does just that. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the stock, its business models, its fundamentals, and why I just bought it. I'll put my price predictions, my price forecast on the stock, and tell you my personal investing plan. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Everybody go down there and like that button. And if you like free money, check out the link in the description for Webull. It's the broker I use every single day, and they're offering you guys 2 free stocks valued up to more than $1,800 when you sign up with the link in the description. All right, let's break down this top penny stock. Let's get it. Before we get started, check out the link in the description for the free trial to the private Discord chat where you get my buy and sell orders in real time. Risk-free trial link in the description. The penny stock we're going to be breaking down in today's video is ticker symbol BLIN, Bridgeline Digital. This is a company that is involved in helping companies get into the e-commerce space, handle their marketing, their e-com platform, keep a track of how many customers are coming onto their website, help keep track of their marketing ad spend, and manage all that stuff. And this is a sector that is absolutely taken off, and it was going to take off eventually, but the Rhinoceros Rex has just expedited things, as we have seen even more of a push to e-com, and Bridgeline Digital is a stock that is ready to capitalize on this transition. And in my opinion, this stock is undervalued based on its future growth. Bridgeline has been on an uptrend. We can see that back here was trading under $2 a share, and we've been trending higher for the past few months. And we did get a nice pullback off this $4 area, and I see this as a buying opportunity. So Bridgeline is an all-in-one e-com content management, marketing, and website development company. So they handle the marketing for these companies that are using these e-com platforms, automation, landing pages, abandoned cart features. So if a customer goes into your website, goes to place an order and never completes the order, you can let the customer know that their order is still sitting there, help to capture more sales, lead capturing. So then you also have the content side of things, publishing, templates, SEO management, which that's a huge market just by itself. Then you have the e-com, product catalogs, secure cart and checkout, shipping and payments, coupons, promotions, and then you have order and inventory management. Each one of those business segments is a huge industry just by itself, and Bridgeline captures all of this growing space. And then it gets even better as they manage social accounts for their customers. That alone is a huge growing space. Businesses don't want to do this in-house. It's much easier for them to go to a company like Bridgeline and have them manage all this stuff for them. And how about insights? So you're spending all this money, you have this huge ad spend, and you want to keep track of who's coming to your website, what they're buying, when they're buying it, which ads are working. Bridgeline can provide those analytics to their customer. This is a massive growing sector, and I think Bridgeline is undervalued. This was a sector that was already growing before the Rona, but the Rona just expedited things and made everybody realize that if they don't transition full force to e-com right now, they're going to be left in the dust. And this is obviously going to help a company like Bridgeline that needs the e-com space to be taking off in order for them to grow. And that's exactly what happened. We can see the Rona accelerate shift to online retail. It was a growing space from the early 2000s all the way until the Rona, and then the Rona is just straight to the moon. It's a growing space, a rising tide lifts all boats, and it's going to help Bridgeline grow in the process. These are all the services that Bridgeline offers: digital marketing, content management, web and social media, CM, content analytics, web experience management, digital asset management, and web creation and editing tools. And this chart shows how it makes up their growth. And look at that growth. And once we hit 2020, that growth goes parabolic, and I expect that growth to even be better than estimates. And e-com is something that you always have to be updating and relaunching, updating your website, making sure your ad spend is worth it. So Bridgeline is going to have that reoccurring revenue coming in every single month as these customers need attention paid to their marketing, ad spend, their analytics, their e-com, their social media platforms. Their total addressable market is already huge, right? It's every company out there that doesn't do this stuff in-house, and it's only going to grow as your local businesses transition to e-com. So here's how their analytics dashboard works. So the customer would log on to their Bridgeline Unbound account. They would see that their traffic has decreased over the last month or so, and then their sales numbers going down. That would tell them that they maybe need to switch up their advertising tactics, that this is not working. If your traffic's decreasing, that is not a good sign. So this helps solve a problem for their customers. It's very easy to sell your product when it solves a problem and helps the company you're selling it to make more money. If your advertisements aren't working, then you need to change up, or you're going to be just wasting the money on that ad spend. 73% of revenue is subscription. That is absolutely huge because you have reoccurring revenue. It's not a one-time sale that you have to keep marketing to try to get that sale again. You have reoccurring revenue, and then it just snowballs. You get another customer, that's reoccurring revenue. And every other customer you add on top of that is just a snowball effect, and eventually your growth is just exponential, and it's going to the moon. Let's take a look at the numbers real quick. Bridgeline has a tiny micro cap market cap of $21 million. We're talking about a really small company that is in a sector that is poised for gigantic growth. So if this company lands just a few more customers, that market cap could easily double. We're talking about a really small company with sales of just $10 million. I expect those sales numbers to increase very, very fast over the next few years as the entire sector grows. And we have a really small float of just 4 million shares. So once this thing gets going, it could really take off. Let's take a look at the chart here real quick, and I'll talk about my personal plan with this Bridgeline, my price prediction and forecast. I bought 5,000 shares this morning at market open at an average price of $3.53 right there. I'm looking for this thing to hold this level here. I don't want to see it get below $3. If it gets below $3, my plan is not working. The price action is not in my favor. I'm not going to just hold on and bag hold this thing. I will exit and reevaluate. I'm looking for my plan to work out, Bridgeline to take off and head higher, break out over $4 and head towards $4.50 a share. But I think we can get over $4 in the next few months and test $5. That is gonna wrap the video up, guys. I hope you got something from it. If you did, hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I think this BLIN is poised for growth in a sector that's really taking off. It's kind of gone under the radar. It has been on a nice uptrend, but I see this as a buy the dip opportunity off those recent highs near $4.50 a share. E-commerce is really taken off, and I expect BLIN to take off with it. All right, guys, check out the link in the description for the free trial to the private Discord chat if you want to get my buy and sell orders in real time. Also, check out Webull, 2 free stocks. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.